Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate content ideation with BuzzSumo step by step clearly. Open BuzzSumo and log into your account. From the dashboard, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Input a relevant keyword or topic you want to explore. Hit the search button to initiate the search. Review the list of content that appears based on your keyword. Utilize the filtering options on the left sidebar to narrow down results. Select criteria like date range, content type, or language according to your needs. Focus on the most shared tab to identify popular content. Analyze the titles and formats that have gained traction. Take note of recurring themes and styles that are engaging audiences. Next, click on a specific article to see detailed analytics. Examine the engagement metrics, such as social shares and backlinks. Use the content analysis feature to gather insights on performance data. Open the alerts section in BuzzSumo to set up notifications. Create alerts for keywords or topics to automate future searches. Adjust the frequency of alerts based on your content strategy. Once your alerts are set, you will receive regular updates. Explore the influencers section to identify key figures in your niche. Connect with these influencers to enhance your content reach. Finally, compile your findings into a content calendar. Plan your ideation around the popular topics and trends you've identified. Use this structured approach to streamline your content creation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.